Share ko lang yung isang simple routine na sobrang nakaka-help sa akin everyday. Lalo na sa season ng life ko ngayon as a stay-at-home wife and full-time digital business owner, I realize na minsan hindi naman natin kailangan ng big changes. Minsan, small intentional habits lang talaga. There was a time when life felt heavy. Minsan, tahimik yung bahay, pero maingay yung isip natin. Gets nyo ba yun? May mga worries, doubts, question about the future. Tao lang din naman tayo eh. May mga araw talaga na feeling natin helpless tayo. May mga moments na negative yung pumapasok sa isip natin. At okay lang yon. What I learned is, it's okay to rest, but not to quit. So instead of forcing myself, I learned how to take my time to think, huminga, mag-reset, mag-reflect. Every morning after my husband leaves, that's when I give myself my me time. I make coffee, I sit quietly, I pray and talk to God. Sometimes 1 to 5 minutes lang. Okay na eh. But those moments give me peace and direction for the day. After that, I move into my focus time. I try to spend around 2 to 3 hours of day learning and growing for my digital business. Hindi siya rush, walang pressure, walang schedule. I watch trainings, learn new skills, and apply them step by step. Kasama din dito yung aking online Turkish language study. Little, for my personal growth as well. No distraction, no comparison, just progress. This simple routine changed everything for me. Mas kalma yung puso ko, mas clear yung mind ko, and mas meaningful yung araw ko. It reminds me that I'm not doing life alone, that even in a quiet season, God is still working. And maybe ikaw rin, if you're in a season wherever you feel stuck, tired or unsure, know this. You're not weak, you're human, and you're allowed to rest. Just don't quit because every person grows started exactly where you are. A small step with God every day. Bye.